Okay, guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. All right, today we are going to look at um, some pairs together. Then we're going to analyze what we're expecting in the coming week. Now, one of the challenges that I actually have is giving you guys the update of what is really happening based on what we've actually done on Sunday. So I'm going to make a decision if to make my setup and market analysis on a Sunday. That is before the market open, or I should just do it right when the market has opened, probably on a Monday evening or on a Tuesday morning. I guess that would be better. I'm actually yet to make that decision because those times are always busy time for me to monitor so many things that I'm doing and also to attend to my student. So I can't really promise something like that because nowadays market has not been going as planned based on the beginning of the week. Just few pairs are working based on weekend preview. Then better still, those analyses are always spent. I mean, played out during the week, whereby when you make analysis in the week, most of the time, probably for a week or for a daily trade, then most of it always play out. So I'm going to make that decision probably before the end of, I mean, for the rest of this month. I will be making it before then. Or let me see what I can do so that you guys can really be a beneficiary in my order analysis. But today we'll quickly look at dollar index. Let's believe that is actually going to work as planned. As you can see, this market has been going down. It has been going down. That shows we are more of a uh, um, bearish move than being bullish on this market right now. The only place we are going to see probably a push up, right? At all, a push up is actually going to be, as you can see, this is a weekly chart. This is a weekly chart, and you can see this is where this market is. This is a fair value gap, FVG, right? So we might likely see a kind of reversal from here. But better still, I will be looking at this candle to really be where this market might likely push away from, right? Probably push up, then before it will continues to go down because we have an old time low here that should be rated. That should be taken out. Then I will be expecting either this particular candle or this particular gap to serve as a rejection to push it down, push it up, but before we see another run up. Now, this is daily time frame, and there is not really a good structure here. So let's see um, on the 4 hour time frame. Better still, we'll be looking at this particular candle. So we'll be expecting the market. More of what I'm going to look at is one, right, two, right. I'm seeing my reversal pattern there, probably number three. Then I want market to come to this particular zone, right, this particular zone here, then continue to push down. And basically, that is what I want to see. So on Monday, when markets open on Monday, I want to see consolidation, then take out this low. Then I want to see this pattern and drop it. Now, this that I've already explained might change during the course of the week. During the course of the week, so Tuesday morning and the evening will determine, probably on London section or New York section will determine what the new trend will be for the remaining of the week based on the power of three. Right. So having said that, now if you go to 1 hour time frame, let's see 1 hour time frame. If we go to 1 hour time frame, right, we can really see or this low very well. Or I really want to see it being played out on a 1 hour time frame, right? I want this low to come back to take out this again, then to go up, then before they drop, really. And I would really love to see such a pattern. If that paint out, then that is fine. Then another zone whereby we can actually have a short trade is going to be on this candle, as you can see it here. Now probably if we check a lower time frame, we can get a better zone for this candle, a better zone for it. Probably the market can come back to this, then reject and start selling. Now that's based on dollar index. My prediction will be that dollar will continue to go down, but before then it will be strengthened. Then after that, find a particular rejection zone, then continue to go down. So with this particular illustration and analysis, that is what we're going to use to see every other pair that is attached to dollar. Though I personally I use this right to determine what's going to happen, but the market actually doesn't follow that almost all the time. So if it play out, it's fine, and if it doesn't, it's fine. So I just use that as an indicator, right, to tell me what I will be expecting in the market. So as you can see, this is a weekly chart, right? I mean a monthly chart that shows we're expecting, and this particular market gave us is there actually a very beautiful reversal pattern, right? This actually is not my reversal pattern, right? It's not a 3 hit. It would have actually be a 3 hit if this low actually take out this low. Then with this third one, right, it's not. So I'm not going to talk about that. I thought it is my 3 hit pattern, but anyway, market came back and retest this zone, then it's going up back. Now on the weekly time frame, this market is also going up, and we might actually have it coming back to retest this zone then before they drop again. That shows, just like we said, we are expecting dollar to actually drop, so which implies that we are going to see a bullish Euro USD, right? We're going to see a bullish Euro USD. And having this in mind, that this is looking like a power of three. As you can see, the market gave us this kind of accumulation when the market actually opens for that year, then actually gave us a manipulation to the downside, giving us a 3E structure. Then market continues to go up since then. So what I will be expecting is a mini retracement before this market will continue to go up, if at all that will happen. Now, having said that, I will be expecting this market to retrace back into this rejection zone before I will look for a buy. Well, that's weekly time frame. We can easily get what to do on another lower time frame that is less than this. Now, let's see if 4 hour will give us a very good stuff here. Now, in 4 hour, right, we can see a kind of 3E structure, but this particular zone will be the best zone for me to trade, or this particular week, right? This particular zone or this particular week will be a particular zone, I mean the rejection zone for me to trade from. So I'm expecting price to go up, take out this liquidity, serve as 3E structure, right? Then continue to come down. Then we'll look for a buy here. Then this market continues to go up until we find it at the rejection zone that we are really looking out for. Now, that said, this particular zone also might hold price, right? This particular zone also might hold price when price comes to this area. As you can see, that particular FVG is going to take out this liquidity, get rejection here, then go up. Then if you see this particular stuff that I have marked, that FVG, you can see that this is a daily low. So we're expecting market to come back into this zone, then before we see it going higher. Then the next pair we're going to talk about is dollar. I mean, is gold, right? Gold also has been dropping. Then last week, I actually said something that I'm expecting something to happen, and that is really what is painting. So I'm expecting it to continue to do that. And what is that? This is an FVG, right? If we're going to refine that anyway, then if we go to 1 hour time frame, if you go to 1 hour time frame, right, what I will be expecting is market to accumulate, take out this high, right, then drop. That is what I will be expecting on this pair, right? So, I actually said something last week that if we actually see that sell, my target will be this low, right? My target will be this low. Then we can go to more higher time frame to see where this market might likely get rejection from. This particular candle, right, might actually be where this market will reverse from anyway, right? So that is on gold. Then we move to GBPUSD, right? On GU, this is a weekly time frame. We can see that this market is also going up. Then it has taken a previous high, and with this we might likely see it coming down more. So let's see daily time frame, right? On daily time frame we see the same thing. This looks like a 4-8 structure, right? It looks like a 4-8 structure. So let's see how this is actually going to paint for us to determine if this will really drop. Just like what I said, that I'm expecting dollar to get strengthened right before it will continues to I mean to to fall again, right? So this week might actually see that strength, then before dollar will fall again, or probably market might just continue to go in the same direction that it has been. So this particular analysis on Euro USD on gold, we're actually going to be based on the strengthening, I mean the strengthenings of the dollar index that I'm really looking forward to before the market will get weakened again, right? So this implies that on the 4-hour time frame, we can see the 3E structure, then we can expect this price to come down as low as this area. This actually looks like a equal low, right? Take it out, probably market will get rejected at a very clear zone before it continues to go higher. Then on the 1-hour time frame, we can't actually see a very good zone here, but I will be expecting that fall to happen right before this market will continue to go higher. Then the next pair will be GBPUSD. As you can see, USDCHF. As you can see, this market is dropping. Then the best zone based on daily time frame to sell this pair, right, is on this rejection zone. But looking at the weekly, let's just see what we can likely see. The market has been dropping. Looking at the monthly, the market is also dropping, right? It's dropping. Well, based on that, I will be expecting this particular zone, right, to be what we hold price. Anyway, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see something like a 3-8 structure about to form. So we can expect an accumulation here, then drop and take out this low. Then market can retrace all the way to this zone, or better still, this zone, right, before the drop. Just like what I said, dollar will get strengthened right before it gets weakened. Then just know these are actually based on probability. So it might work, it might not work, but based on my strategy and my rules, this is what I am looking forward to in the market this week. But on Monday or Tuesday, I am going to follow the handwriting of the market and follow the rules accordingly if this doesn't work out. So the next pair we're going to look at is CADJPY, right? Just like what I said, I was expecting a bullish CADJPY last week, and that really happened, right? That's really happened. Though this was where I was looking for the buy, but that did not happen. But over the week, right? I mean, during the course of the week, there was something that was actually given here. So, and that is how this trade becomes a buy. Now, on the daily time frame, we can see it has taken that old high that we are expecting it to take. On the weekly time frame, we are still expecting it to take this high and this high, then probably get rejection here. I mean, get rejected here before it will continue to go down. Now, let's see um, on the 1-hour time frame, we actually don't have a clear zone. But come to think of it, this particular zone might really be a good zone for us. Let's say M30 if that's actually going to be a good zone, right? So this particular zone might be a good zone for us. So this implies that when this market open, we want to see either market retrace down into this zone. It might actually be this particular zone, or this particular zone might hold the price, or market give us something like this, um, accumulation, the manipulation, distribution into this zone, then we actually see it going up again. So this is going to be a 3E structure as discussed. And 3E structure is actually a very good reversal pattern that we can actually think of. I think I'm going to create a time and teach every one of you that are not yet in my mentorship so that you can also spot it, because it's actually a very good rejection zone. As you can see, this was what was formed here. Now look at it. Yeah, can you see that? Then a rejection zone was formed. This is a good, MPB based on my rules, break structure, right? Right, this is the structure. Break it, the market came back, we tested that zone, and that's really why we have this kind of movement up. So it's really a cool reversal pattern, and any of my reversal pattern are really cool, so to say. Now, we look at EURJPY. Now, EURJPY, this M30, so we're going to see other time frames on the daily time frame, right? The market is also bullish, right? Just like what I said last week, right? I'm expecting market to really push down from this zone, probably a refined zone of this. Let's see if I can actually bring that up, probably this zone. Now, as you can see, price retested that zone. We might likely see a push down a bit from that zone. From there, then the best zone based on current price action will be this particular zone, right, to buy, or this particular zone. But currently, this market should reverse from here. Let's say 4-hour time frame, right? As you can see, so market can continue to drop from there. But let's see what will happen when the market opens, so that we actually strengthens our bias so much. So the next pair we're going to look at is US Tech, right, which is NASDAQ, as many would call that. On a daily time frame, is also going higher on the 4 hour time frame, right? It is forming a 3E structure. Then the best buy zone for me will be on this block here, all right, on this block here. But let's see 1 hour time frame. Let's see 1 hour time frame. So the best zone, right, will be this block. So this implies that we're going to have this low being taken out as liquidity grab, the market come back to this zone, then we see it going higher. And lastly, we're going to look at US30 on a daily time frame. Right, we can also see it painting 3 structure, though that might not really be reliable. So we're going to see what is going to happen now on the um, 4 hour time frame. Right, the same thing has been painted, so we are expecting this market to really drop from there. Then probably this particular candle will serve as what we hold price for a buy. Now looking at the 1 hour time frame, let's just see something. At the 1 hour time frame, we can actually get a clear reversal structure from there. But on the 4 hour time frame, right, we can see it. Does it take out this eye at all? Right, it actually took it out. So from there, we can see market retracing back, probably take out this low and get rejection here before going higher. So this is what I have for you this week. Probably if I'm so well chanced, I can also hold a general one, right, whereby I'm going to hold it like a live section where I am going to analyze my pair. Right. So guys, thank you for joining in. Thank you for listening. Thank you for joining my channel. Right. And so you will do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, right? Follow us on Instagram. Then we also have a Telegram channel where we add members. I mean, where we send our students report um, based on what the student have actually taken. My own personal past history. Now, I mean, past trades that I've taken. But I don't actually pin that. I mean, send that in terms of lot size or whatsoever. I just send it based on what has happened. Sometimes I post before and after, but most of the time I just only post the after so that you can learn from it. And the primary aim of that is actually for you to learn from the work that I am doing so that you can also replicate the same thing that I am doing. Of that is taken. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. Right, all these are in the description below. So you're going to see all those information there and join us. And if you have any question, then you can send them to me personally at at online trader 16. All right, at online trader 16. So that's what you're going to use to message me. All right, and I will do well to answer you as soon as possible. All right. So thank you. Have a good trading week, and God bless you. Bye bye.